Hello everyone, I'm George from TSS, and in today's video we'll be unboxing the TSS multi-point door handles offset lever with 48 and 87mm screw PZs with 240mm screw centers. Like all TSS multi-point door handles, these are supplied boxed with the components inside individually bagged. In the box you will receive one accessory kit. This contains two sets of fixing screws, one long and one short, two removable spring cassettes and two solid spindles. You'll also receive your handle set. These handles are available in polished brass, as you can see in the video. Polished chrome, silver, black and white. The polished brass, silver and chrome are salt spray tested to 240 hours. All of the handles are cycle tested to 50,000 operations. I'll go over the handle measurements with you now. So the handles have a backplate measurement of 270mm by 32mm, screw centers of 240mm. The internal side has a 48mm PZ. Top screw to center of the spindle cutout is 134mm. Base of the Euro cutout to the bottom of the center of the bottom fixing is 38mm. Your external handle will have a 87mm PZ with distance from the top screw to the center of the fixing hole is 95mm, and the base of the Euro to the bottom center of the bottom fixing is also 38mm. Thank you for watching.